What's up, lovelies? Your girl Toni is in the building, and today I am going to do a hair review from UNice Hair. UNice, I don't know how you say it, but UNice sound better to me, so we're gonna go with that. So let's go ahead and get straight to it. Let's open up the box and I'll show you what I ordered. I got 3 bundles. They were 14 inches body wave. I got all 3 of them the same length. That way I ain't got to worry about no layering, all that extraness. It don't even matter. And I got a frontal. The frontal is a 13 by 4. And it's a free part. So you can part it on the side, the middle, swoop-de-doop, deep part, small part, whatever. So I'm just getting into this box. And we taking a look at this hair. So y'all, they gave me a little goodie bag, and y'all know I love some goodies, so let's go ahead and open up and see what's in it. So y'all know I love me some free stuff, so let's just get straight into it and pull out these little goodies. So first, they have an elastic band. So I think that is so cool because, you know, when you're trying to lay that hair down and you want it to melt, you need an elastic band. Next, they got them same little rinky-dinky lashes that they always get. Y'all, I got a drawer full of lashes just from all the different hair that I have ordered. Next, we have a little black bonnet. That's cool. I guess I want to make sure you keep that hair protected. And lastly is a makeup brush, which is a pretty like rose gold color. So, you know, I love that. Another plus is that you can use this mesh bag to store whatever you like if you wanted to. So let me go ahead and throw this disclaimer out of there. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this hair with my own little coins. So let's just get straight into what this hair is looking like. Y'all, I was struggling pulling this hair out of this bag, and I'm like, what the heck is going on? So as soon as I take the net off the hair, y'all, they done like zip tied, tagged it, whatever you want to call it. They done put them little plastic pieces on the frontal, and that's what was snagging on that bag. Y'all, I'm so mad. Like, why would you do that? Like, for what purpose? Because if you pull that too hard, you gonna bust a hole in your lace and your hair gonna be messed up. Like, look at that. So let's just take a closer look at these knots. They are knotted, so clearly we gonna have to put some bleach up on that to get this frontal together, y'all. So this is just what it looks like. On this side, the lace looks pretty good. A nice, neutral, natural skin color. We definitely gonna have to do some plucking on this frontal too. Like, it ain't bad, but it can be better. The hair is real lightweight. As I put my fingers through it, I'm not getting no shedding. It's so soft and bouncy, so that's definitely a plus. Now let's get into the track itself. Y'all, one thing I didn't like about their packaging is that it was so secure. Like, look, they done got the rubber band, the plastic, it's tied up, all of that. Like, secure. I know ain't nothing getting on my hair, okay? So as I'm taking the track out of the net, I'm like, okay, these some little thick kind of bundles. Like, for real, it looked like they gave me a good amount of hair. It was also lightweight, did not get any shedding from raking my fingers through it. Y'all see that? Like, and the wefts look pretty decent size too. So we gonna see how long this hair can take us. So lovelies, I wanted to show y'all the quality of the freebies that was sent with this hair. So on the lashes, they have the little instructions on the back. They're very voluminous, have a lot of volume. It'll work if this is all you got, you know what I'm saying? So next they had a black bonnet. It's a silk bonnet. It looked too small to me for like an average head, but I do got a big head too, so, you know, take it or leave it. It might work for you. And then the elastic band, I love how they put the cheetah print on it. I think that's a nice little pizzazz too, instead of just a basic black elastic band. It has the Velcro straps on both ends to make sure that it's secure, and it is very elastic. Like, the elasticity is still there. It didn't feel stretched out or anything. So let's get into this frontal, y'all. We got that bleach on this sitting. It's processing. We getting them knots together. So let's get into this hair, y'all. I had washed it, deep conditioned it. I blow dried it earlier. You know how natural hair do. It started poofing up. So I just had to pull it away. But it's time to tackle this head, y'all. Y'all, I caught sis off guard. She was cracking up, y'all. It was so late at night. We was just giggling. We was having a blast. And as you see, she putting in that work. She plucking that hairline, plucking that part. Now let's get into it. You got to get them itty bitty braids with this thick long hair so that it stay flat and lay flat. So we getting into it, y'all. There go mini me. She said, hey, the shop is open. She getting into it, y'all. She training. She in the making. Y'all better get ready. She gonna be doing y'all hair. It's coming. It's coming. She serious. Let's get them edges laid. Hey. Laid. Hey. Okay. 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 Hey.
I feel it on my body. A bunch of different.
All right now. Yes. Snatched.
Get into the braid down. All that hair braided down.
All right, so she advertising the little lace glue that she used.
What they do?
Right. Like, you see it?
You see it.
All right, so she putting that foundation on that cat baby so that boy can blend. Then we got the elastic band on so we can start letting it melt. Getting them baby hairs together. Y'all know y'all see us having a good time, okay? Now we got the elastic band on and we letting it melt, y'all. It was so late. We was both tired. We said we got to pick this up tomorrow, okay? All right, y'all, we about to get to styling and customizing this hair. I'm so excited, y'all. I can't wait to see how it looks. I cannot wait to see the final product. She better slay, okay? Let's get to it, y'all. Y'all, this elastic band is cutting off the circulation on my ears, y'all. I swear. Can't wait to take it off. But we got to make sure it's melted, okay? It's a process. It's a process. So we back at it, y'all. She is sewing down my frontal and my tracks are glued in just for easy installation. As you can see, Jax is here. He don't want to leave nobody. And there go Maya. Look at her. She's still doing hair.
We back. Take 2. Day 2. It was like 2 o'clock when we got done. And then I couldn't take no more. And the next 4 hours I would have been out for 24 hours. But you know what? We back. We finished it when we started. She better be fine, y'all.
She out here working hard, okay? Getting me together. There go Maya again. She back at it. She said the shop is open, okay? Jack still laying being a baby. Look, now Kennedy done joined in. They here working, okay? They out here getting it together so they can get y'all together. Lovely, let's go ahead and get into the styling process. She is getting my hair together, about to put them luscious locks of curls up in it. Let's make it happen. Sis said that's on period, okay? So after so much fun, blood, sweat, tears, and laughter, your girl is done. Sis hooked me up. I love the look, the curls. It was bomb, y'all. What's up, lovely? So I love it. It looks so good, y'all. And y'all know my hair is long, so I did it a little shorter in length this time. And then I can wrap it, put some flexi rods in it to keep the curls. Like, it's different. I like it though. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for this exact hair. That way you can get the same frontal and bundles, and you can just pick whatever length that you like. but I'm feeling it. Tell me what y'all think. We could try out something new, but I'm loving it, y'all. Make sure you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, baby, because your girl always got some content for you. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out, lovelies.